Unraveling Idioms, Understanding, Bowling a Blinder. Hello and welcome to our journey through the fascinating world of English idioms. Today, we're diving into the colorful expression, bowling a blinder. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone striving to get a grip on English idioms, this video is tailor-made for you. So, let's unravel the layers of meaning behind this intriguing phrase. Bowling a blinder finds its roots in the sport of cricket. In cricket, bowling refers to the act of delivering the ball to the batsman. A blinder, in general English usage, means an outstanding performance, often unexpectedly so. When combined, bowling a blinder refers to a bowler delivering an exceptionally good performance, often leading to the batsman's difficulty in playing the ball. While the phrase originated in sports, its use has transcended beyond the cricket field. In everyday language, bowling a blinder is used metaphorically to describe any exceptional performance, especially when it's surprising or in challenging circumstances. For instance, if someone delivers an impressive presentation at work, one might say they bowled a blinder. To fully grasp the usage of bowling a blinder, let's look at some examples. 1. Despite being new to the team, John bowled a blinder at the project meeting, impressing everyone. 2. The actress bowled a blinder in her debut film, earning critical acclaim. It's worth noting that idiomatic expressions can vary slightly in different English-speaking regions. While bowling a blinder is widely understood, some might say played a blinder or pulled off a blinder, especially in contexts outside of sports. The core meaning, however, remains centered around delivering an exceptional performance. In wrapping up, bowling a blinder is a vivid phrase that brings the dynamism of sports into everyday language, celebrating exceptional performances across various contexts. We hope this exploration adds a colorful idiom to your English repertoire and you feel confident using it in your conversations. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep learning and keep bowling blinders in your own life.